Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Is it the Majesty? To your Majesty. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candles out.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Randall here, and in case you're wondering what that was about, it's going to be Our Majesty the Queen's birthday this weekend. She's actually got 2 birthdays. I'll explain a bit more in a second. Our Queen's birthday is actually the 21st of April, and she was born in 1926. That makes her 94 this year. But she also has her birthday in June, and that's a tradition that's happened for the last 300 or so years with our kings and our queens, because they like to celebrate in the summer. This is called her official birthday, and it's celebrated in many ways. One of the ways is a gun salute, and the public come to hear and see such a spectacle. Another thing is called Trooping the Colour, with over 1,000 soldiers and horses and musicians coming to do a massive parade. The end of that is a fly past, where the royal family stand on the balcony of Buckingham Palace and they look up to see this. You can see the red, the white and the blue. I wonder why. Do you know why? That's it. It's the colour of the Great British flag, isn't it? Now this year, sadly, there won't be the same kind of celebrations as usual, because we're still in a bit of a lockdown, aren't we? There's still rules of people gathering together. So there's going to be a very small ceremony outside Windsor Castle, which is where the Queen is staying at the moment. Now, even though the Queen has decided it's a really good idea maybe not to all gather like the thousands of people normally do to keep us all safe, we can still celebrate. We can do it in our own homes, can't we? So I've put in the link below some ideas of activities that you could do at home to celebrate Our Majesty's birthday. If you do any of them, please let us know, or if you make up your own, I'd love to see what you do. And lastly, if you've got a birthday coming up soon, just like my 2 children, one's already had one and one's coming up next week, I wish you a happy birthday as well. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.
It's for you, Queen.
Nom 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 nom.